Okay, so what we got here in problem 17 is we have a model that has a mean of 24.8 and a standard deviation of 6.2 that we're going to assume that a normal model can be applied. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is draw the 68, 95, 99.7. So what we're going to do is draw a normal model, and we're going to put in, so our mean here, if we look at this, is 24.8, and we have a standard deviation of 6.2, so we add 6.2 going to the right, and we subtract 6.2 going to the left. Okay, so that's our 68, 95, 99.7. Okay, so question B asks, what interval would we expect the, I'm sorry, let me go back. One standard deviation away in both directions is 68%. Two standard deviations away in both directions is 95. And three standard deviations, 99.7. Question D, what would be the interval we'd expect 68% of cars to go? We'd expect 68% of the cars to be in this interval, so from 18.6 to 31 miles per gallon. Okay. Question C says about what percent of the autos get more than 31, so that would be over here. Okay, so what I do know is that up to 24.8, that's 50%, right? And I know that these two right here are 68%. So each of these are going to be congruent. So this is going to be 34%, and this is going to be 34%. So in effect, this is 50% plus 34%. So up to 31 is 84%, right? So that means greater than 31, I would do 1 minus 84. Sorry, 100%. Let me do that again. 100% minus 84%, and I would get 16%. So 16% would be up here. Okay. The next question about what percent of cars get between 31 and 37. Okay. Okay, so if this is 68%, okay, and then this is 95%, so that means that we would add 27%, okay, to the 68%, and that 27% would be split equally between these two blocks. So that would mean that I would get another 13.5% here and another 13.5% there. Okay, so that would give me, if I added up all four of those blocks, that would give me my 95%. Okay, and then the last piece is the gas mileage of the worst 2.5% of all cars. Well, if this right here is 95%, okay, then that means that outside of the 95% is 5%, and that would be 2.5% would be over here, and 2.5% would be over here. Okay, so that would give me the other 5%. Now, which 5% is the worst? Well, low gas mileage is bad, so it would be 12.4 miles per gallon or less. So that would be our answer to